Hey guys, this is Sanjay Singh. I am speaking from this platform, Guruji Online. And today we will be talking about JEE Mains exams. You are having your two attempts left, and you must have prepared well for these two attempts. But these exams are postponed and likely to be held very soon. Most of you must have got already the good percentile, must be hoping to achieve good rank, and those guys must be preparing for JEE Advanced. But there will be the people who have not secured so far the good percentile in the previous JEE Mains exams and must be preparing very hard for the coming exams. I want to speak to these students. Don't lose your heart. Still the time is there. And let me tell you, JEE Mains exam is not difficult, first of all. What it requires is just a clear study. Every formula, its application must be clear to you. Physics theory, it's basically theory, must be clear to you. And mathematics, of course, it is a difficult one. But again, there is a method in mathematics. That's why its name is like this. So you must be clear about the method, how to do or how to solve the questions. That is what is required. But now, since the time is less, I would advise you, please don't try anything new. Whatever you have studied, whether it is physics, whether it's chemistry, or it's mathematics, just try to revise it. Revise it once, revise it twice, revise it thrice, as many times as you can revise it. And mug up all the formulas and practice the formula. I always stress upon practice the formula. My meaning is, please do a little questions with every formula and try to see how its application works. That is most important because then only the clarity will be coming. So in this duration, what you have to do is the revision number one. And second most important thing is try to solve all the real-time last 5 years papers of JEE Mains. Just take 5 years papers, last 5 years papers. Don't go beyond that. And try to solve each and every question. First of all, try to solve each and every question by yourself or try to see the solutions and practice it. And let me tell you, with this kind of strategy, in the coming JEE Mains exams, you are going to get a good percentile and you might land up with your rank also, which you aspire for. So forget about Corona, forget about other divergence, forget about any other thing which irritates you or which diverts you. Just concentrate on your studies, and this is going to make your career for the future to come. That's why it is very important. Try to get a good NIT. because institution is also very important apart from the branch. So I hope I'm not going to take much of your time. Please start preparing or start revising. And if you want to speak to me on any subject or any help you require from me, please you can email me or you can call me up also. My number is there on the Facebook. So hoping for the best. Thank you very much.